Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something most people don't realize. Small habits can make your brain underperform and act like someone with a low IQ. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you're stupid. It just means your brain isn't operating at its full potential. And here's the good news: once you recognize these habits, you can start fixing them and boost your cognitive power. First, you react without thinking. Have you ever said something or acted instantly without even pausing for a second? That's a sign of weak impulse control. Smart people always pause before reacting. They give their brain time to process information and make the best choice. So next time, take a breath and think before you respond. Second, you avoid learning new things. The brain grows when it faces challenges. But if you avoid new experiences because they seem hard or boring, you're limiting your growth. People who embrace challenges, who try new things, usually have stronger cognitive skills. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Third, you repeat mistakes and blame others. Everyone makes mistakes. But smart people learn from them. If you constantly blame others instead of reflecting on your actions, you'll keep repeating the same errors. Self-reflection, also called metacognition, is key to learning and improving. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? Fourth, you can't focus. Short attention spans are a clear sign of shallow cognitive processing. If you can't focus on a task for a reasonable amount of time, your brain is operating on autopilot. Practicing sustained focus, even for a few minutes a day, can greatly improve your mental performance and efficiency. Fifth, you talk more than you listen. People who never listen usually miss important details and fail to process information deeply. Smart people listen to understand, not just to respond. So slow down, pay attention, and really hear what others are saying. Sixth, you think you're smarter than you really are. This is called the Dunning-Kruger effect. People with lower intelligence often overestimate their abilities because they can't see their own mistakes. Refusing feedback and believing you're always right is a major sign of low cognitive awareness. Stay humble, stay curious, and be open to learning. Remember, these habits don't define your intelligence forever, but once you notice them, you can start improving your thinking, your decision-making, and your focus. Even small changes in your daily habits can make your brain sharper, faster, and more effective. Take it one step at a time and watch how your mind transforms.